Good morning, students. In this unit 4, which is named Party, I am going to explain you future forms. Okay, in English, there are three common forms used to talk about the future. These are will, be going to, and present progressive. The rules to form these sentences in future are: for will, we form with the subject plus will or want, will if it's present positive and want negative, plus the infinitive. That means the infinitive is the base form, which means that the verb must go in the first line of the verbs. The second one, be going to. We form the subject plus be. In be, we have is or am according to the subject, plus going to plus infinitive. The third one, present progressive. It is formed by the subject plus be, is or am also, plus the verb with ing. Okay, we are going to talk about the future form will. Okay, you can use will to show the future event which is the result of an spontaneous decision made at the moment of the speaking. As you can see, we have will, which is the long form, or apostrophe to else, which is the short form, but it is the same. Now, we are going to talk about be going to. You can use be going to talk about your future plans or intentions. You have made a decision about a future event and you are talking about that decision. Okay? It is formed with the verb to be that has is, are, or am according to the subject to, as you can see. The last one is the present progressive. You can use the present progressive to talk about the future arrangements. You have arranged a future event and you are talking about that arrangement. You will notice the difference of the three future forms with this clear example. Okay, in this example, you are going to realize the difference of the three future forms. We have a question. The question is, do you have any plans for the weekend? Okay. A spontaneous decision with will. The answer is going to be like this. No, I don't. I think I will call Jan and see if she's free. Okay, he doesn't know that Jan is going to go with him or has some plans to the weekend. So that's why he says, no, I will call. He says, I will call because he is taking the decision in that moment. That's a spontaneous decision. Okay? So that's why he is using will. But in the second one, do you have any plans for the weekend? An intention. You know what an intention means. So you think about what you are going to do. It is different with this one because this is spontaneous, but this is an intention. So the answer is going to be not yet. I'm going to call Jan and see if she's free. So you have the intention. So that's why you say, I'm going to call. This is your intention to call her. The third one. The third one is an arrangement. First, the question. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I do. I'm having lunch with Jan on Saturday. Look at this. It is an arrangement. That's why you use the present progressive. Why it is an arrangement? Because previously you have called Jan and you have made a plan and you asked Jan, do you have any plans for the weekend? And Jan told you, no, but we maybe have to do something. And you say, okay, what happens if we have lunch together? Yes, we can go somewhere to a new restaurant, for example. And okay, let's go to the new restaurant. So let's go on Saturday. Do you agree? And Jan says, yes, I agree. So they made an arrangement. And that's why yes, he says, yes, I do. I'm having lunch with Jan on Saturday. As you can see, you in this example, you have the three future forms, which are will, spontaneous decision, be going to, an intention, and present progressive, an arrangement. You use will, I will call. Be going to, I'm going to call. Present progressive, I'm having. Okay, I hope you understood this explanation. But if you have some doubt, you can contact my email or my cell number. We are going to see next class.